Hey guys, welcome back. This is Ryan. This is video number 2 in a series on how to build your website with WordPress. So if you need a website and you're not really sure where to begin, please go back and watch my first video. It's how to install WordPress, get it up and running, how to get logged into your admin area, and how to choose a template for your new website. So go ahead and do that now. Also, for those of you that are ready for this video, please have a piece of paper and a pen handy so that you can make some notes along the way. This video is going to be about how to just kind of do the initial setups, choosing a title, choosing description, and where to add that on your website. So let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to head over to where I have my WordPress hosted at, okay? This is like a demo website that I put up just to help you guys understand how to build a website. So I'm going to head over to where I have it hosted. It's over at savebigdomains.com. And you'll see right here how to spell it, Save Big Domains. So what you want to do is you want to go into your WordPress first. If you don't have your WordPress, remember, go watch video number 1, but you'll need a domain name, which is right here. You can find one there. And you'll need WordPress hosting, which is right here. And if you have any questions along the way, feel free to give them a call and they can help you guys get it set up. But I'm going to head on over to how to start editing my website. So close that. So now I'm in just a random template here that I've chosen. Keep in mind the name of it doesn't matter with the template. I'm just kind of building it on a demo for you guys. So once I'm in, what I need to do is, let's see here, get back. Okay, so I'm in my admin area. I logged in and now I want to go and start customizing. And you'll see here on the left side under Appearance it says Customize. So I can click Customize, and I have all these options on the left. And a lot of times with some of these themes, they give you the ability to upgrade to a pro version, a paid version, and that's fine if you want to. But if you just kind of want to get familiar with the process first, I recommend you don't have to do that right away. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go into Default Settings, and then you'll see there's a lot of submenus here. So I got Site Identity. I can go in here and I can add my logo. I can change it if I want. I can add a new title here, whatever I want. I can change it, and then I can go back. I can choose a background image if I want. I can choose my static home page, and I can create one if I want to, and then I can edit it here, okay guys? And you'll just kind of have to play around with it, play around with the settings, then go view the live version so that you're comfortable with what each section does. And then I can change my header here. I can put in phone number, email address. I can enable social links here if I want, and I can turn them off. I've got my home page settings, so I can mess around with my banner, my about section. I can change things here. I got my services. I can go in here and I can start adding stuff. I can start adding other additional pages. I know it seems like a lot, but you really need to just kind of get in here, start adding and playing with it and viewing the live version, guys. This is how everybody learns. So just, work through it and you'll start to notice that you're building the website pretty quickly, okay, guys? Don't get nervous about it. And then, let's see here. There was a contact form section. If I want to add a contact form, I can, and I can choose which page I want it on. Now, with regards to contact forms and stuff, that's going to be more of a plugin, and I'll show you. You want to watch the video on plugins. There's thousands of plugins to choose from, and there's some really good ones. So make sure you watch that video, okay, guys? And then I just kind of make my way through here. Another important video you're going to watch in the future is called Widgets, working with widgets. Widgets are very popular. They're one of the main components of using WordPress. So make sure you go and watch that video also. And then once you're done with your edits, you'll come up here and you'll click Publish. There's a blue button right here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but you'll click Publish, and it'll publish those changes for you also. Another area that you can edit is, let me click on the X here. Another area that you can edit is over here under Settings. What you can usually do is you can just kind of work your way through these items here. So I can click General. And I can start coming in here and I can start editing information about the site. Just make your way down, and then there's a save button. I can come in here and I can turn off or add on the information with regards to comments, so people aren't just spamming your WordPress website and adding comments. You can change the reading area here. You can choose what your static web page is. And remember, watch the video on how to choose and make a standard home page, okay? I'll show you how you can do that. And just make your way down this. And let's see, permalinks. This is another important one. What I like to do is I like to come in here and I like to choose custom structure. That way when you create, actually post name, post name. So if I change it to post name, you'll notice here that it says sample post. But as I start to create more pages on my WordPress website and I title them whatever they are, those titles, those keywords within those titles become searchable. They become part of the link itself. So as you're adding more pages, then all these pages that you start building on your WordPress website, Google will come in and start crawling your website, indexing all the pages, and now you've got all these pages with important keywords that could help potential future customers find you on searches. So that's how you do it. Remember to watch my other videos. Just go into my channel, and also please subscribe to the channel so that you're updated as more videos come along. Thank you for watching, and I'll be in touch here soon. Bye guys.